So you'd have like a physical rack that's in there, like of a PLC basically. It's like PLC IO, but a little bit different. You might have a single rack number for that entire rack, and then you would say what slot number. So like if it was an input card, you may say slot 1 here, and then the next one would be slot 2, next one will be slot 3, next one will be slot 4, okay? And then you're saying digitally, where do you want to assign this at? Meaning, how much memory of the computer do you want to take up, of the robot's computer? And where should it start at? So if you just said we're talking about a number from like 0 to infinity, I'm telling it I want to start it at 1, right? And then how many number of inputs do we want to use? We want to use 16. And then like, let's say for instance, for the next one, how I would do this one would be 89, slot 1. I might get this wrong because it's been a little bit of time since I've done this. So it wouldn't be a start point of 1 anymore. It'd be a start point of, the reason why is because this is consuming 16. So we're starting at 1. It's going to consume 16 points. That means the next one has to start at 17. This one will also consume 16 points because it's group input data. So the group input data needs to be either an 8, 16, 32. I think it can only go to a 16 though. But yeah, so that should be set there. So we don't have any set here either, so I'll just do the same thing. 89, slot, oh shoot. Slot 1, start point 1, number of points, 16. And if I'm not mistaken, we're going to have to cycle power the robot after this. 89, slot 1, start point, 17, and it's 16 points. Not positive. So you have the ability to cycle start your robot from here. Function, go over to this menu system, 8 cycle power. This will cycle the power. This will cycle power. Are you sure you want to do this? Yes. So it's going to cycle the power of the robot as if it were a real robot. You turn the controller off, turn the controller back on. Yeah. Cycle the power always means to turn it off, turn it back on. Yeah.